Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 20, perimeter. What is perimeter? The boundary of a figure or the length of boundary of a figure is called its perimeter. If you talk about a paddy field, what will be perimeter of that paddy field? The total distance we walk around it from the beginning point to the end point. That is called its perimeter. You can see the blackboard here. What is the perimeter of this blackboard? You can see from one side to the other, it has got 4 sides, and the total length of all these 4 sides is the perimeter of this blackboard. Now, if it is measured in centimeters, your answer also will be in centimeters. If its length is measured in meters, your perimeter also will be in meters. You can see here I have made some figures. It's a triangle. This is also a triangle. Here we have a square. Here you have a rectangle. And here I have made a figure with 5 line segments. How can we find out the perimeter of these figures? For any figure, its perimeter means the sum of length of its all 4 sides, or sum of, if it is having 4 sides, or the sum of length of all sides is the perimeter of that figure. You can see here this is a triangle, and I will write the measurement of these line segments: 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters. This line segment is of 3 centimeters, and this line segment is of 5 centimeter, and this line segment is of 4 centimeter. What will be the perimeter of this triangle? We know its perimeter will be the sum of length of all sides. The common formula for the perimeter is sum of length of all sides. Then what will be the perimeter of this triangle? 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. What answer you are getting? 12 centimeters. The perimeter of this triangle is 12 centimeters. Okay, then we can write it as the common formula: sum of length of all sides. Perimeter is equal to sum of length of all sides. Now you can see the next figure, that is also a triangle. What is the speciality of this triangle? Its all sides are equal. The length of all sides of this triangle is equal. So this triangle is called equilateral triangle. What is it called? Equilateral triangle, because its all sides are equal. If all sides are equal, how can we find its perimeter? Instead of adding 5 plus 5 plus 5, what we can do? 5 into 3. Okay, it has got 3 sides, and all the 3 sides are having the measurement. So the formula to find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into 1 side, or 3 into length of 1 side. Then what will be the perimeter of this figure? 3 into 5. The measurement of one side is 5. 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15 centimeters. Next you can see the square here. What is the perimeter of this square? Square, we know its all sides are equal. All 4 sides of a square are equal. So its formula to find the perimeter is 4 into 1 side. What is the formula to find out its perimeter? 4 into one side. Now, if it is of 4 centimeter each, if all sides of its figure of this square is 4 centimeter, what will be? Here it will be 4 centimeter, here also 4, here also 4, here also 4. It means, how can we find the perimeter of this figure? 4 into one side. 4 fours are 16 centimeters. Now we can see the next figure, that is a rectangle. Rectangles, what is the speciality of a rectangle? Its opposite sides are equal. Both the length will be equal and both the breadth will be equal. Now this is of 8 centimeters and this is of 3 centimeters. Okay, 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Here you can see 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Now in the case of a rectangle, there is a formula to find its perimeter. What is that? 2 into length plus breadth. The formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, then 2 into, what is the length? Length is 8 centimeter and what is its breadth? That is 3 centimeter. 2 into, in the bracket, 8 plus 3. Why we are putting it in the bracket? What is inside the bracket? That process should be done first. 8 plus 3, 11. 2 11s are, we can see 2 11s are 22 centimeters. 22 centimeters. Okay. The perimeter of this rectangle is 22 centimeters. Now you can see this figure. This figure is not having any proper shape, but it has got 5 sides. Then how can we find out the perimeter of these kind of figures which is not having any proper shape? We have to add the measurement of all the 5 sides. Okay, to find its perimeter, we have to follow the common formula. What is the common formula to find the perimeter? Sum of length of all sides. We have to add the measurement of all the 5 sides, then we will get the perimeter of this figure. Okay, hope all of you understood how to find out the perimeter of different types of figures. Thank you.